Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So enter here, you will find wallet and Apple Pay. You just click on it. Then you come to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to hit expired passes. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us now. That's mean here hit expired passes enable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.